In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create QR codes for your Shopify products. QR codes are a simple way to connect your offline and online storefronts. A quick scan with a phone can send shoppers straight to a product page or even drop an item directly into their cart. They're perfect for packaging, flyers, in-store signage, or events, and they can help you track engagement so you know what's working. Start by opening your Shopify store. Head into your admin dashboard in a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to install apps. If you manage multiple stores, double-check you're in the right one before moving on. Next, click Apps in the left-hand sidebar. This is your central hub for tools that extend your store. From here, search for shop codes. If you're taken to the Shopify App Store, use the search bar there and type shop codes. Look for the official app published by Shopify so you know it's trustworthy and well-maintained. When you see the Shopcodes app, click it, then click Install. Review any permissions the app requests and confirm the installation. The process is quick and typically doesn't require any complicated setup. Once the install finishes, the app will appear in your apps list so you can access it anytime. Now, feel free to explore this app. Inside, you'll find a straightforward interface that lets you create QR codes linked to your products. You'll be able to choose the action a scan should take, such as opening the product page or adding the product to the cart. Download print-ready files in common formats and review basic analytics to see how often your codes are scanned. If you sell variants or manage multiple locations, confirm the product is active online so shoppers have a seamless path to purchase after scanning. A few quick tips while you explore. Test your QR codes with both iOS and Android cameras before printing in bulk. Use high contrast, dark code on a light background, and leave a clear margin around the code so it's easy to scan. Print at a size that's comfortable for real-world use. About 2 centimeters square or larger works well for most placements. Avoid putting codes on highly reflective surfaces and place them where people naturally pause, like near checkout, on product tags, or on packaging inserts. That's it. You've opened your Shopify store, gone to apps, searched for shop codes, clicked it, installed it, and you're ready to explore. Enjoy creating QR codes that make it easier for customers to shop and for you to track results.